Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peach strudel. First, gather your ingredients, including about 1 pound of fresh, ripe peaches. For the dough, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with a pinch of salt. Then, gradually add 1/2 cup of warm water and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Knead the dough thoroughly for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This forms the perfect base for your delicious strudel. Next, let's prepare the delightful peach filling. In a bowl, gently combine your sliced peaches with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Enhance the flavor with 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. To absorb excess moisture and add texture, stir in 2 tablespoons of plain breadcrumbs. A 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice will brighten the flavors beautifully, making your filling irresistible. Now for the exciting assembly. On a lightly floured kitchen towel, roll your dough out very thinly, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick. Brush the entire surface with 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Evenly spread the peach filling over the dough, leaving a 1-inch border around the edges. Using the towel, carefully roll the strudel tightly from one end to the other. This technique ensures a perfect spiral. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Transfer the rolled strudel to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 45 minutes, or until golden brown. Halfway through, brush with 1 tablespoon of melted butter for a richer crust. Let it cool for about 15 minutes before slicing. Serve warm, perhaps with a dusting of powdered sugar, and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.